Have you ever gone to use your Whirlpool electric range only to find the display is completely dead? Hi, I'm William from AppliancePartsPros.com, and today we're going to diagnose why your range is giving you the silent treatment. We'll dive into the main control to see what's causing the issue, and good news is, even if you're new to appliance repair, this is easier than you think. Let's get started and bring your range back to life. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric range or turn the breaker off. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws securing the terminal block cover. Slide the cover down and off, then set it aside. Next, remove the Phillips screws from the back cover. You can leave one screw loosely in place in the slotted cutout to help hold the panel while removing the others. Once the remaining screws are out, lift the panel off and set it aside. Locate the black wire connection CON2 pin 4 and the red wire connection CON4 pin 1. Extreme care should be taken to avoid electric shock, which can cause serious injury. Do not attempt live voltage testing if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter around energized circuits. Plug the power cord back in. Set your multimeter to volts AC, which looks like a V with a squiggly line. Measure the voltage between the 2 wires. If you read 240 volts AC, the main control has failed. If you do not read 240 volts AC, unplug the range and check for loose or damaged wires. If the wiring is intact, the issue is coming from outside the range, preventing it from operating. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. Take a picture of how the wires are connected for reference. Disconnect the wires and remove the mounting screws. Here's the old main control and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the control and secure it with the mounting screws. Reconnect the main control and the oven sensor wires. Then secure the back panel and finally the terminal block cover. Plug the power cord back in. Thanks for joining us today to troubleshoot your Whirlpool electric range's display issue. Once you've identified the main control as the culprit, simply grab your model number and swing by AppliancePartsPros.com to order the replacement part you need. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days, so you can have your range back up and running in no time. After receiving your new part, don't forget to check out our video guides for a step-by-step installation process. We'd love to hear about your repair journey, so let us know how it went by leaving a comment below. Happy repairing!